up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you already know what to do. Please subscribe. If you're not new, thank you for being a loyal subscriber. Okay, let's get into the video now, you guys. A lot of you guys have been asking me about my hair, how you guys love it, and I honestly, you know, what can I say? I'm in love with it. I'm obsessed, and it's just beautiful. So today I'm going to be telling you guys the secrets of where I got my hair done or where I got my hair dyed. I absolutely love it. I just want to let you guys know that I've been wanting pastel pink freaking hair for the longest. It is freaking beautiful. Just look. And I also didn't want to damage my hair. So I was like, what should I do? It's going to take like a lot. It's going to cost a lot of money. It's going to be a long process. So those of you already getting an idea, yes, you are right. This is a wig, you guys. It's a wig. And I love it. I just decided, you know, I've been looking into them. I've been wanting to try wigs for the longest time, but I always feel like they're expensive or like they're just, you know, not going to be worth it at the end. But I came across this girl's YouTube channel. I don't remember who she was, to be honest, but I saw her her video on her wig and she had me sold. I loved her review and it was just simply amazing. So I just want to give you guys my review and my personal experience with this wig. It is a pastel pink color. It comes kind of like in a dark color at the top to make it look more natural. This wig was on sale. I believe the original price is like $65. I did get it on sale, so I don't know if you guys want to catch them when they're on sale, but honestly, if you don't get that sale, then I just want to let you guys know that these are worth it. I would buy this wig for $65. I mean, you guys, like I said, I didn't want to damage my hair. I don't want to go through that process again. It's a lot of money changing my black hair to this, so why not? Now I could buy as many colors as I want and just swap them out, which that's definitely what I'm going to be doing. I hope you guys get inspired. I want to bring that trend to Utah and get, you know, like the wig out and get that trend going in Utah. I already see I've inspired some of you girls that you have been complimenting my wig and asking the deets about that. So I am going to go into detail with that. So those of you are asking the most important question of today, and that is where I got my wig. So I purchased my wig at this online website and it's called trendywigs.com. And like I said, I got it on sale like right when I happened to go through the website and look a little bit into it, and I saw the reviews and I followed people on Instagram that has these wigs, and I also followed their Instagram, which I'll have down below. And I looked into it. I happened to go on the website and this wig was on sale, and I already have my hair kind of like in an A-line. If you guys have not seen that video, make sure you check it out. It's in my videos. I try to cut my own A-line, so I knew it was like believable, you know, like hey, it's an A-line pink, so why not? That's the reason why I got it, and I'm definitely going to buy more styles. I love it. So yeah, I got it at Trendy Wigs, and this is the package that the wig came in. And inside it, of course, was the wig, and it came in like a plastic, not plastic, like a little bag. And inside it came with these tiny little bags with the bobby pins. It came with 2 of those, and it came with 2 bald caps, which I love. They have a dark one, which is for dark hair, black, and then the one I'm wearing, which is like a tannish color, looks like a stocking, or if that's what they're called, stocking, you know what I mean. But yeah, that's the one I'm currently wearing right now, and that's what it all came with. It's really cute. I like the packaging. So now to talk about the wig, you guys. I honestly can't find anything I dislike about it, but if I had to choose something, sorry, I'm looking at myself in the mirror trying to see what I don't like. So if I did have to say something negative about this wig, would probably just be the front. It's not noticeable, but it kind of, with the packaging, it got flat. So I don't know if you guys know the term hat hair, when you wear a hat and then you have like a bucket looking thing, like if your hair got flattened and smushed down. So it looks like I have hat hair. I kind of, after like brushing the wig a couple times and spreading my fingers through it, it tended to go away a little bit, but it's not that big of a deal. you know, no one's gonna be asking you, are you wearing a wig? Or they might, I don't know, but honestly, I don't care. I'll tell them, yes, this is a wig and I love it. And so do you, girl, so get you one. But yeah, that's the only thing that I don't like is this. And there's lots of videos online that I have not yet tried where they blend that part out so it could look natural with Got2b glue gel, and they make it look like baby hairs. And if you guys want me to try it out with this wig, I definitely will. Just make sure you comment down below and let me know. But other than that, that's the only thing I disliked about the wig. Let's see. I guess the wait time, I guess there's another thing. The wait time was probably 2 weeks, but I think that's like the normal wait time for things to get shipped out. And it delivered pretty fast after that once it got shipped out. So yeah, I guess those are the two things that I did not like about this wig. But other than that, I am obsessed with this wig that I just had to make a video as soon as possible. For those of you who are asking like, hey, how does it feel? You guys, it feels better than my hair, my natural hair. Like, I'm like, are you sure this is synthetic? Because it is a synthetic wig, you guys. I was messing around with some of my friends, told me it was human hair, but no, it's not. Those are too expensive and out of my budget, so no, girl, don't got time or money for that. But yeah, girls, it is synthetic, and no, it does not feel fake. It doesn't feel plasticky. It doesn't look shiny. It looks natural. Like, it feels so smooth, and I'm starting to think whether my extensions are real or not, because literally they feel the same. And I love it, and I have not tried putting heat on this wig. I like the style how it is. I'm not going to try to curling it or doing anything because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to risk it. If you guys do that, or if you want to look it up on YouTube, let me know, because I want to see. There's another pink one of these that comes curly, so I might just purchase that one as well. I want to have like a bunch of wigs, a collection of wigs. That way I let my hair get healthier in the meantime, and also give it time to grow. So yes, I believe that's all I had to say about this wig. I can't think of any other questions you guys would ask. If you do have something that you're curious about and you want to know, don't hesitate in dropping a comment down below and asking me, or DMing me on my Instagram. I have all that information down below. I will put the link to this website where I bought this wig. And yeah, guys, let's start this trend. I really, really love it. And make sure you follow my Instagram for pictures on this baby and my upcoming wigs that I will need to be ordering. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little, I guess you could say, review about this wig. But I just want to answer you girls questions and concerns that you guys had about my hair, because I dropped that selfie and revealed to all you guys new hair who dis. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will be coming up with lots of videos, you guys. And don't be afraid to recommend some videos and what type of video you guys do want to see. Take that into consideration and get it done. Way fun, and my room is under construction, which is another vlog I'm wanting to do for you guys. Is a little tour of how I got my beauty room and how it looks right now. It's still not done, but I'll definitely be putting that out there, because I know lots of you guys asked a few questions about my vanity on Instagram. So yes, anyhow, I am done talking, and thank you guys so much for watching once again. Love you. Bye.